In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood, including how to keep track of your day trades. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate Robinhood's web interface with confidence. First, let's get started by heading over to robinhood.com on your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your account using your secure credentials. If you haven't set up your account yet, make sure to register and verify your identity before continuing. Now that you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with your portfolio overview and current holdings. To find a stock you want to invest in, direct your attention to the search bar, which is usually at the top of the page. Click on it and type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. You'll see a list of results. Simply click on the stock you want to explore further. Once you're on the stock's detail page, find the trade button and click it. Select buy when prompted. Here, you can decide how many shares you want to purchase, or, if you prefer, you can enter the dollar amount you'd like to invest instead. This flexibility is great for both beginners and experienced traders alike. Before you submit your purchase, pay close attention to the order type. The default option is usually market, which means your order will be executed immediately at the current market price. If you want more control over the price you pay, select limit instead. This allows you to specify the price at which you're willing to buy the stock. For example, if a stock is trading at $100, but you only want to buy if it drops to $90, you can set a limit order at $90. After confirming your order details, click the review button to double check everything. If all the details look correct and you feel ready, click buy to place your order. Robinhood will process your request and update your portfolio accordingly. If you decide to sell the same stock on the same day, the process is just as straightforward. Locate the stock in your portfolio and click on it. Choose trade, then select sell. Enter either the number of shares or the dollar amount you want to sell. Review your order and finally click sell to execute the transaction. It's important to monitor your day trades, especially if you're actively buying and selling within a 5-day period. To check your day trade status, click Account at the top right of the screen. From the menu, go to Settings, then select Investing. In this section, you'll find Day Trade Status, which shows you how many day trades you have left in your 5-day rolling window. Remember, exceeding this limit can result in account restrictions, so always keep an eye on your activity. That's it. You now know how to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood and how to keep track of your day trades. Thanks for watching and happy trading.